According to COMELEC po, wala na daw pong formal signing for the bill postponing the Barangay and Sangguniang Kabataan elections, and that you will instead allow it to lapse into law on August 14. But on your part, sir, have you reached a decision on whether to sign the bill or let the bill?
No, I'll sign it. I'll sign it.
What are the main factors po you weighed before deciding?
Because we are facing one of the biggest elements here, kakatapos lang natin ng malaking eleksyon, midterm election. Susunod na rito yung BARM. Isasabay pa natin ngayon yung barangay. Masyado ang COMELEC actually nagsasabi hindi namin kaya dahil ang hindi naman ang kailangan nating tutukan yung BARM. You have to remember the BARM election that is upcoming in October is the first time we have ever had this kind of election at all. At all. Sa buong kasaysayan ng Pilipinas, hindi pa nagkaroon ng BARM parliament na hinalal ng tao. So, that is why it is so important. And if that election fails, malaking bagay, malaking failure yan dun sa peace process. Kaya't kailangan maging matagumpay ang pagganap ng halalan ng BARM. And that's why we really are focusing on that. And again, of course, the local officials are saying we just finished a local election. Magkakaroon na naman tayo ng barangay election, parang ganun din. Halos ganun din. So, with a view on the Supreme Court decision that we cannot shorten the term of the barangay officials, we are actually lengthening the term of the barangay officials. So that's not in conflict. So I think the most sensible, the most common sense solution is to postpone.
Mm-hmm.